It's only natural to want to smell great, but even if you make enough money to afford one of the many expensive fragrances that line the shelves of fancy department stores, you may not want to shell out that kind of cash for something so fleeting. After all, perfume doesn't last forever. Don't let that deter you from embracing your own signature scent, though, over the years, we've learned that, like mascara and pizza, a fragrance doesn't have to be expensive to be good. The cult favorite Dossier is only $64 for 1.7 ounces, while many expensive fragrances ring up at over $100 for a bottle that size. Dossier isn't the only brand offering deliciously scented perfumes at great prices, though. Ahead, uncover the 5 best affordable fragrances, all of which are under $75. Best overall, Dossier. What we love. It's designed to mesh with the wearer's pH, so it smells different on everyone. What we don't love, the scent doesn't last very long. Dossier may be one of the most recognizable fragrances available. The minimalist pink amber bottle can be spotted in countless Instagram posts and aesthetically pleasing shelfies. What's inside the pretty bottle is what really helped it claim our best overall spot, though. This perfume has racked up thousands of 5-star reviews for its unique scent profile, which combines spicy, woodsy, and floral notes like pink pepper, ambrette seeds, and white iris. The soft, warm scent molds to the wearer, so rather than smelling just like what's in the bottle, you get your own unique scent, sort of like a customized fragrance for a fraction of the cost of mixing your own. Our one strife is that scent doesn't last very long, but luckily the bottle is compact enough to store in your purse if you need a midday re-up. Best gender neutral, Dossier Ambery Saffron. What we love, it smells like Baccarat Rouge 540, which is much more expensive. What we don't love, some shoppers report that it wears off quickly. If you love smelling expensive, but don't want to actually shell out the cash for a pricey bottle of perfume, Dossier has you covered. The brand is known for its fragrance dupes, and the Ambery Saffron Eau de Parfum is designed to smell like Baccarat Rouge 540, which costs just under $200 for a 1.1-ounce bottle. This perfume opens up with a bright burst of saffron and orange blossom, but quickly mellows out as hints of cedarwood and sultry amber come to the forefront. One of our favorite things about this warm, woody scent is that it's gender neutral. Needless to say, fragrance lovers swoon over this dupe, but some people say it fails to linger. Best floral. Philosophy Amazing Grace Eau de Toilette. What we love, it's fresh and floral, but subtle, too. What we don't love, the scent can feel overpowering depending on how much you spray, but if you only use a spritz, instead of a few, you should be fine. You know the moment when you step out of the shower and just smell clean? Philosophy bottled that feeling to create its soft, cult favorite floral fragrance, Amazing Grace. It has lovely notes of refreshing bergamot, uplifting nougat blossoms, and powdery musk. I like to describe it as delightfully feminine, and think it would be appropriate for a young person's first fragrance. It's ideal for special occasions and everyday wear alike as it's not overpowering. Best Fresh. Bath & Body Works Gingham Fine Fragrance Mist. What we love, it's fresh, fruity, and floral, not to mention super affordable. What we don't love, the scent doesn't linger as long as a true eau de parfum. Bath & Body Works fragrance mists invoke feelings of nostalgia. For many of us, these sprays were our first foray into the perfume world. Contrary to popular belief, the scents aren't just reserved for adolescents, though. With notes of blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementines, and violets, this fresh, fruity, and floral scent proves that B&BW can create an elevated, elegant choice for adults, too. At 8 ounces, this bottle is also the largest on our list, so it will last a longer time. Keep in mind, though, that because it isn't a true eau de parfum, the scent won't linger as long as other options. Best Clean. I Love Your Smell, Baby Perfume. What we love, it's made with clean ingredients and is hypoallergenic. What we don't love, despite being fruity and floral, some people think it smells more like a men's cologne. Made with clean ingredients, like water and alcohol derived from sugarcane, the I Love Your Smell, Baby Perfume is hypoallergenic, so you never have to worry about it having an adverse reaction with your skin. It's a surprisingly complex fragrance. Fruity top notes of peach and raspberry give way to middle and base notes of lily of the valley, rose, and cotton candy. Yes, really. Though it is primarily fruity and floral, a few reviewers say it smells more like men's cologne. In our eyes, that makes it a wonderful gender-neutral fragrance. Thanks for watching. Do visit and subscribe Fashion ABC for fashion and lifestyle videos.